guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this pop out of the frame video on CapCut PC. So select your video and then you are going to simply go to cutout here, select auto cutout as well, and then you're going to go to actually you need one without the background removed, so uncheck auto cutout. And let's just switch that. Sorry. Go to mask and select the circle one and kind of like adjust it. I'm actually just going to resize the video a little bit so you guys can see. On the first video, so this one is the one that has a background. You're going to kind of like create a circle here. And then you're also going to do the same thing for the other one, but you're just going to put the mask like up here. So it looks like it's out of like the frame a little bit. Now it's gonna look kind of weird here, so maybe like adjust it even more. Like that, I guess works the best. And you can also add in like a frame. You can use like a colored one. I'm just going to use this white one, the back. Then I'm going to adjust it, and like I'm going to go back to mask and create like a circle out of that as well to create the border. And that's basically it. You can add in a background here, so go to canvas and go to style maybe if you'd like to. I'm just going to add in like a background that matches with the video, maybe like this one or this one, I don't know, or like that. I guess that one looks cute. And that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!